Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed these dining chairs from this to the clean amazing chair you guys are looking at. If you have kids, then this video is definitely for you. Look at the difference between these two chairs. Like, look at the difference, you guys. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get started in cleaning this, because you just need this machine in your life, okay? Period. Like, you need it. So this is the basil little green spoon.
Can't find my way back to you. I'm lost again.
Guys, this is the basil green machine, and it does an amazing job. Like, you guys will see how I transformed this chair from this messy, oh goodness, the mess these kids make. Like, if you have kids, this is just such a lifesaver. It's gonna save you a whole lot. Like, listen, this machine works on, I've been seeing people use it and I'm just like, I think it's maybe they're hyping it up too much, or their kids don't make as much mess as my kids make. You know, I've just been giving excuses and saying things, but I was like, listen, if I have to have this dining chair, I have to have this machine, something that will help me clean this properly, because it's not working. So I decided to grab this, and you guys, oh my goodness, the difference and the suction power of this basil machine is amazing. Like, I was just so stunned to speak. I was just like, oh my goodness. But yeah, it worked out perfectly. I cleaned up this place, and man, my chairs were looking brand new. Like, after cleaning, I just let them, of course it's gonna suction all the water out, but it's also going to, like, to leave it to, dry off and all of that. But it did an amazing job. And the next morning I was looking at my chairs and I was super happy. I have this linked on my Amazon storefront, so go ahead and look in the description box. You're going to click on my Amazon storefront and get yours. Yeah, you're definitely going to enjoy it, trust me. And then the hard part, like the chair that had maybe it had and stuff, I had to use that little brush to scrub it a little bit, and it just came right off, and everything was clean and clear. So it's going to be linked on my Amazon storefront. Listen, mom, as you need this in your life, get it and listen, thank me later, okay? Yeah, it just came out so good. I did all it suctions so well. I also use this to clean. I've used it to clean a whole lot, like all my furnitures, my bed. If you guys know, I have this velvet material like bed, so I use that to suction, to clean out and do everything for my bed. Like all my furnitures, this comes in super handy, and I couldn't be happier. So you need this, click the link on my description box and check out my Amazon storefront. I have all the amazing products, everything that I've been using in my videos, everything that I've ever bought from Amazon that I love, and I feel like every other person will love it too. I have that on there, so to go ahead and check that out. You're definitely going to love it. Look at how my chairs are already shining. Like, just look at that, how the mess just transformed. I am just so stunned.
Empty-handed, you like the fast life. You like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing back.
guys, look at how my chair is looking, and look at the dirt that came out from this chair. Like, this thing works wonders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click on my subscription button, subscribe if you have not done that already, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Any questions, any video ideas, just leave them all in the comment section. Don't forget to leave your comments. Yeah, I'm definitely listening. And look at the difference this made. Look at that, like, you can't even imagine. So to go ahead and click on my Amazon storefront and get you one of these bad boys. It's gonna do an amazing job. You're definitely going to like it. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know. Can we trust the stars about to let us know?